How do I archive a message in Messenger?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial on mastering Messenger. Today, we'll be diving into a simple yet useful feature of Facebook Messenger: how to archive a message. So, let's get started.
What does it mean to archive a message?
Before we delve into the how, it's important to understand what it means to archive a message. Archiving a conversation in Messenger doesn't delete the conversation from your messages. Rather, it moves it from your inbox to your archived folder, allowing you to clean up your inbox without losing any conversations.
Steps to archive a message on Messenger.
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to archive a message on Messenger. Step 1. First, you need to open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. On the home screen, you'll see all of your active conversations. Swipe left on the conversation that you want to archive. Step 3. You will see a number of options. Tap on the More option. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, click on the Archive option. And just like that, you've archived a message in Messenger.
How to find archived messages.
After archiving messages, you might wonder where they go. Let's walk you through the process of finding your archived messages. Step 1. From the Messenger home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on the Archived option under the Preferences section. And voila! Here are all your archived conversations. There you have it. An easy way to clean up your inbox without losing any conversations by archiving messages in Facebook Messenger. I hope this video has been helpful. Remember, archiving messages keeps your inbox organized and free from clutter. Until next time, happy messaging!